If a Chime ATM withdrawal is pending for too long, these are the steps that you can do. First is to monitor your account. Most pending charges clear or reverse within 3 to 4 business days in many cases. The money is credited back to your account automatically when the ATM's daily audit shows an overcharge. If the transaction does not reverse automatically within a few days, you should collect all relevant information. This includes the date, exact time, location of the ATM, and the exact amount attempted for withdrawal. If a receipt was issued, make sure to keep it safe. And lastly is this. The easiest way to reach Chime is through the in-app chat function, or you can call them or their member services team. Inform them about the issue and provide the transactions detail that you have gathered, and then Chime can verify the status and may initiate an investigation. That's how you can fix if your Chime ATM withdrawal is pending too long, and thank you for listening.